just the way things were. You know, we're kind of forgotten place.
If you have suffered that level of trauma, consider what those people had seen on that beach as the light faded.
I'm just trying to think, go back and think. Maybe you can't see things that I would like to see.
It had spikes, like horns coming out the side of it.
Jesus, what happened? I said, I don't know.
Basically lost a generation, no other way to describe it.
You know, they blamed him.
I don't think he ever really talked about that.
The local sergeant,
Something's wrong here.
All of my uncles, every one of them.
esteemed pillars of the community.
Comments are reported at the time.
Put your faith and your trust in God.
Be saying you were going to hell.
We should have been told about
I
it.
was as near as we ever got to the truth.
Why the hell wasn't that area cordoned off? Why wasn't that done?
I think it was 6 o'clock on a lovely summer's evening.